Today, we will see how to scan a JavaScript URL in Jsmon. First, select your workspace. Then click on Go to Scans window to scan a URL, domain, or file. On this page, you will see three options: URL scan, domain scan, and file scan. Click on URL scan to scan a JavaScript URL. Now, you need to drop your JavaScript URL in the placeholder value and then click on the submit button. It will start the scan and it will also show the status in the recent scans window. Click on this reload icon to see the current status of your scan. When the status changes to success, you can click on the scan to see its overview, secrets, and the JS intelligence data. Here, it's going to show you in the overview the API endpoints, the leaked secrets, and the PII data. But you can only see the first 10 or 25 entries. In order to see all the secrets, you need to click on the View All Secrets